What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to generate over $617 on OG Ads with CPA marketing. I'm going to show you this step-by-step process how I was able to generate over $600 with zero sales just by using CPA marketing, and I'm going to give you the exact same niche that I used myself to generate these results, so you will be able to use this niche to replicate these results too. Now I'm going to show you the exact niche that I went for, and it's going to be something that's going to be drawing a lot of attention. That's the reason why you will be able to get these results, because you're going to get tons of clicks to your CPA link, and every time somebody is going to complete these offers, you are going to get paid. Now this is going to take just a couple of minutes of your time. You don't have to have any skills or any experience. All you need for this is just your laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time to make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end, so we will know exactly how to set this up and start making some money with it too. And all I ask in return is just to make sure you're going to hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any of my future uploads, and also make sure to leave a comment down below this video, and I would greatly appreciate it. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called ogads.com. This is like the #1 content locking network out there, and if you're going to be using this website to create your content lockers, what you want to do first is just sign up for your free account, which may not exactly seem like a hard process, but there are a couple of tricky fields that you need to fill out very specifically in this application form, and for that reason I'm going to leave a link down in the video description where you will be able to see a complete detailed tutorial how to sign up on OG Ads, how to get approved, and how to start working with this website as well. So first of all, what you want to do is sign up for your free account using the detailed guide in the video description. Then what you want to do is log right into your account, and once you're going to do that, what you want to do is go to this toolbar and you want to click on tools and create a content locker. Once you're going to get to this section, you want to go to this blue button and click on create a content locker, and pretty much all you need to do now is to have something that you're going to put into this redirect URL field that's going to draw attention, and actually people want to see it. That way they will be able to complete this content locker that you're going to create, and for every one of these completions you are going to get paid money, of course. So to actually create something that people will want to see and they will want to click on, what you want to do is just go to ChatGPT, and right here you want to go to this toolbar and you want to type in there something like, hey, please write me an article about deep web. Hit enter, let ChatGPT do its thing, and as you can see right here, it's going to start generating this article. It's going to be describing what exactly deep web is, how it works, how to access it, and all that good stuff. And pretty much this is going to be something that's going to be interesting to people who would actually want to visit the deep web. Now, because you are going to give them this high quality article promoting deep web and how to access it, and if you're going to sneak a little link in there, that's going to take them directly to the page they can access deep web with, or something like that. They are going to do it if they want to visit the deep web. Now, because I see ChatGPT has generated a very long article about deep web, and I don't want to be doing this with this long article, and neither do you, what you want to do is again to the taskbar and type in there, please shorten it by half, for example. Then ChatGPT is going to generate shorter version of the same exact article that we can then use for this method. And what you want to do then is go to this website right here that's called Google Sites. We are going to create a very simple landing page that we are going to post this article in, where we can embed our CPA link that's going to be taking people somewhere, not exactly to the deep web, because that's a little bit more complicated process, but we are going to send them somewhere, and in the meanwhile they are going to be completed the CPA locker and we are going to make some money. Now what you want to do here is to start customizing this Google site. For example, if you don't want to be using this title, just go ahead and delete it. Then also I'm going to delete this header because I don't want it in there. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and search for some images containing deep web. Just hit search on deep web, go to images on Google, and what you want to do here is pick something that's going to be very eye-catching, very enticing, because this landing page is going to be the first thing everybody that you're going to drive to it will see, and you want to keep them enticed with a very nice looking image. And after a little bit of searching, I was able to find this image that I want to go with. For example, let's go with this one right here. So I'm just going to download it to my computer. For example, something like this. Then just go back to ChatGPT, and what you want to do is copy this entire short article that is generated for you, just like that. Then just go back to Google Sites. You want to place a text box right in there, and you want to paste it in there. Pretty much if you're going to have this exact same issue that I do, that with the spacing from ChatGPT it's going to be so large, what you can do is just customize this however you want it to look like. For example, I'm going to delete some of these spaces, just like that. Then what I'm going to do is make some of these parts a little bit larger and bolder, so they are going to stand out a little bit more. For example, like this one, let's make it a little bit larger, like 14, this one as well. Pretty much what you want to do here is customize it and make it look like a legitimate article, but you don't want to be making it too long because nobody's going to read through the whole thing, and even if they are, you don't want to be keeping them on this Google site for too long. What you want to do is just go ahead and customize it, for example something like this, and after you're done with that, what you want to do is go back to Google and you want to search for how to access deep web. Hit search on that, and pretty much what you want to find here is like one of the websites that's going to explain in detail how to access deep web and maybe provide some resources. For example, as you can see right here, this website is going to do exactly that, so I'm just going to open it up and see what it's going to provide, and pretty much it's going to provide some form of article about deep web as well, and it's going to explain in detail how to actually access it. You don't want to be pasting how to access deep web to your Google landing site. All you want to do here is just provide some basic information about deep web, and then what you want to do is go back to OG ads to your content locker and you want to start creating it. So first of all, I'm going to name it something like deep web CPA or something like that, just for your own reference. Then scroll all the way down here, and in this redirect section, make sure you're just going to be set to redirect to another URL. Then just go back to the website that you have found about accessing deep web on Google, copy its link, go back to OG ads and paste it into the redirect field. Because pretty much this website is going to be doing all the work for you, explaining how to access deep web, and because it's like a very gray area, you don't want to be doing that on your Google landing site. You just want to point people to this website that's going to be doing that for you. And the best part is you are going to get paid money because you're going to put the CPA locker in between them. Once you're going to paste the link to the deep web access website in there, what you want to do then is just go to these advanced options, and right here what you want to do is make sure you're going to put some number in this payout threshold field. Pretty much this is going to be acting like a filter for what CPA offers you are going to be displayed in your CPA locker. So for example, if I'm going to put there like $3 or something like that, every CPA offer is going to be paying over $3 upon completion. Pretty much what I did back when I was testing this method out, just go ahead and put there something like $2.50, because that way, even if the price of the $3 offer is going to decrease a little bit, you're still going to be able to promote them. And if you're going to do math on that real quick, if you're going to have these $3 CPA offers and you're going to get just 200 completions, which is going to be very easy with this traffic source that I'm going to give you, you're going to make $600 and over. So what you want to do then is just go back to the CPA locker, and pretty much you want to click on create, and your content locker gets created right here. You can see this is the one that I was doing this method with before, and it made me this over $600, and this is the one that I have just created. So what you want to do now is just navigate to these actions, and you want to click on the details, and all you want to do now is just grab this red URL link that's going to be taking people to your content locker. So just go ahead and copy that, go back to your Google landing site, and what you want to do here is just go to these paragraphs and you want to type in there a sentence that's going to be something like this. To learn more about accessing deep web, click here. Then just highlight this entire sentence, and what you want to do is go up here into this link button, and you want to paste the link to your CPA locker in there, click on apply, and it's going to become this clickable button that's going to be different color from the remaining text. But what you want to actually do is highlight the sentence one more time and change its color to this blue right here to make it seem more like a clickable link, and it's going to stand out a little bit more. Then what you want to do is go ahead and copy this sentence, then paste it at least 2 to 3 times in this article, so after every couple of paragraphs people will have chance to click on this link and be taken to your CPA locker. Once you're going to do that, pretty much what you want to do is go to this publish button, click on publish, choose a URL for your website, for example something like Access Deep Web 2023, Access Deep Web 2023 or something like that. Then just click on publish, and you want to view your published site. So it's going to look something like this, and all you need to do now is just go ahead and copy its link, because now I'm going to give you a couple of sources of traffic that you can use with this method that work very well for me. And to do that, what you want to do is go to Google and make a simple search for how to access deep web Quora. Hit search on that, and as you can see right here, you get multiple of these threads that are going to be dealing with exactly the same issue. And pretty much all you need to do is just open one of these up, for example like this one right here. Just copy the question, go back to ChatGPT, and what you want to do is ask it, please write me a Quora answer to this question. Hit enter, it's going to generate the answer for you, and what you want to do then is just go ahead and copy this ChatGPT generated answer, paste it to Quora to these answers. Make sure you're going to put your link to your Google landing site in there, and that way you will get some traffic that's actually interested in visiting dark web or deep web, and they are that much more likely to click on your CPA locker and complete it. Once you're going to do this for Quora, what you want to do is just retype this into Reddit, hit enter, do the exact same thing for a couple of threads on Reddit, and pretty much you're going to get the exact same traffic just from the different place. And as for the next traffic source that I use with this method is actually Pinterest. Just go to Pinterest, and if you're going to do a simple search for access deep web, hit enter, and as you can see you get all these pins that are going to be dealing exactly with this same issue. So pretty much what you want to do is go back to Google and search for access deep web one more time, go to images, and pretty much just go ahead and download some of these posters that are dealing with deep web and how to actually access it. Post it as a Pinterest pin. Make sure you're going to put your Google landing site in the destination field, and that way you're going to start getting some traffic. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. If you did, make sure to leave a like under this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section. And now to check out some more free money making content, try one of these videos right here that are popping up on the screen just about now. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.